Magandang umaga. Today, I need to do and sweep here, and I'm thinking to have clearing, cutting some plants and the bamboo also, even the topiary. Like I said last week, I need to have a proper landscape here because now is rainy season. It's easy to grow the plants. They don't die like last summer. And my orchids are growing good, but this wall are repainting and the bamboo need to change. Show you my orchids, some crotons over there. They're fully blue. Most of them are bandas, sun bandas. My cuppings that I'm growing, and then I have made some wood to make like that. This I will hang all my orchids, and then need to run to town get some chicken food. Sun haven't coming yet, but they say have new LPA here. Yesterday I do some weeding, and then this is the truck. Later I'm going to bring to run. Sits in the car for 4 months. Then I need to put petrol also. This is my front garden here, surrounded until at the back. This is my dog Winston. Mostly people have rooster making noise in the morning. Birds, sounds of pig, dog, everything. But it's a nature.